First impressions matter, especially when it comes to your home. In Pell City neighborhoods, where homes range from classic designs to newer builds, curb appeal plays a major role in how a property is perceived and valued. One of the most effective ways to elevate your home's exterior is by installing stylish replacement windows. Beyond improving comfort and efficiency, new windows can dramatically transform the look of your home from the street. Here's how replacement windows help Pell City homeowners boost curb appeal while adding lasting value. Modern window designs refresh outdated exteriors. Old or worn windows can make even a well-maintained home look dated. Replacement windows are available in modern designs that instantly refresh the exterior appearance. Updated window styles create clean, crisp lines, enhance architectural balance, complement both traditional and contemporary homes. In Pell City neighborhoods, new windows help homes stand out for all the right reasons. Frame colors that elevate exterior style. Replacement windows offer a wide range of frame colors and finishes that allow homeowners to customize their home's look. Popular options include classic white for timeless appeal, dark finishes for bold contrast, neutral tones that blend with siding and trim. The right color choice can highlight architectural details and create a polished, cohesive exterior. Window styles that add character. Different window styles can significantly impact curb appeal. Replacement windows allow homeowners to choose designs that enhance their home's character. Stylish options include double-hung windows for classic charm, casement windows for modern elegance, picture windows for dramatic visual impact, bay or bow windows to add dimension and depth. Choosing the right style helps frame the home beautifully from the street. Improved proportions enhance visual balance. Older windows may be poorly sized or mismatched due to past renovations. Replacement projects provide an opportunity to correct proportions and improve symmetry. Well-proportioned windows create visual harmony, make homes look more balanced, enhance overall curb appeal. This subtle upgrade makes a noticeable difference in how polished a home appears. Grids and decorative details add personality. Window grids, also known as muntins, and decorative accents allow homeowners to add character without overwhelming the design. Options include traditional grid patterns for classic homes, minimal grids for a clean, modern look, custom configurations to match architectural style. These details help personalize the home's exterior while maintaining a cohesive appearance. Clean lines and low maintenance keep homes looking new. Replacement windows are designed with materials that maintain their appearance over time. Vinyl, fiberglass, and composite frames resist fading, peeling, and warping. Low maintenance benefits include long-lasting curb appeal, minimal cleaning requirements, no need for repainting or refinishing. This ensures Pell City homes continue to look attractive year after year. Enhanced glass improves visual clarity. Modern replacement windows use advanced glass that stays clearer longer than older panes. This improves both exterior and interior appearance. Clear glass enhances reflections and natural light, improves views from the street, creates a clean, well-maintained look. This subtle upgrade contributes to a more refined exterior aesthetic. Increased property value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal isn't just about looks, it directly impacts home value. Stylish replacement windows are a visible upgrade that attracts buyers and signals quality. Buyers appreciate updated exterior appearance, energy efficient features, reduced maintenance needs. This can lead to stronger resale potential in Pell City's housing market. Professional installation completes the look. Even the most stylish windows require expert installation to look their best. Professional installation ensures clean trim work, proper alignment, seamless integration with siding. This finishing touch elevates curb appeal and protects the investment. A smart upgrade for Pell City homes. Stylish replacement windows offer Pell City homeowners an easy and effective way to boost curb appeal. With modern designs, customizable colors, decorative details, and low-maintenance materials, new windows transform a home's exterior while adding comfort and value. For homeowners looking to make a lasting impression and enhance neighborhood appeal, replacement windows are a smart, high-impact upgrade that delivers both beauty and long-term benefits.